me. Oh, bitch.
Milk.
You said it, no?
I don't care what I said.
Yeah, you did. Why are you denying it?
Forget it. Just fucking forget it.
Well, your face you ate.
She's blushing, duh. That's what you get for being white.
It's hot. The scale is hot. I'm just slaving over this fucking pancake.
Mama, you've been there for 2 minutes.
It's too much work for me this week.
Oh my god. When you had laundry this week.
And you have kitchen. Don't spray no more.
Hey, what you
Take your hands. I don't care about your lubrication.
It's going good. Sticky, not smooth.
Says somebody don't know how to make pancakes.
Look at that floppy disk.
You can get whatever the fuck they shake day is. You give a fuck. If they turn out to be all. You can call me leftovers. I don't give a fuck. You just call them whatever you want.
Would they really make a hole in the wall?
No, they're not like that. They flip.
As long as they're done in the middle.
I can't promise all that. Will you stop? I'm just moved them. Find something else to do. And they call it veterans every really it's annoying. Don't stop. You just
So that
Pancakes is not a tag team opportunity activity.
apparently it is to him. He's a sprayer, that's why he doesn't know how to cook pancakes. He's always been a sprayer.
I'm done.
You still have more.
I'll put it in the refrigerator. She don't need 9 pancakes. You can take
I
them.
might play frisbee with him.
Huh?
I need more.
Why are you eating?
No.
Then don't worry about
I
it.
need more.
No, we don't.
No.
No, you just want to spray.
I need more.
So like,
No, you're not.
Yeah, it does.
Why? She doesn't need more than 9 pancakes.
Then at least it's there, and you don't have to.
I didn't need more
My
than
kids are
3.
not going to microwave pancakes.
Yeah, they will.
No,
They're
they
not going
won't.
to everybody else.
If it is not hot like this, they're not going to eat it.
They nuke a pizza.
That's pizza. This is pancake. It's rubbery.
And I'm very picky with my pizza, just saying. I like to-
It's a microwave. You put it in the oven, she ruins it. Forgot about it.
Some idiot put it on broil, so it's not my fault.
She ruined it.
You burned it.
Boil is on the meat.
Boil is on top.
She's trying to keep the pan from.
Boil is on top, you
No,
retards.
boil is on the bottom.
No, boil's on top.
That's where you have the stove top with the little knobs to heat up the boil. It's a boil at the bottom.
Okay.
She's videotaping us like we're on hidden camera.
Oh no, not. You knew? You said you stole from my camera. Over here.
You are.
Show me.
Why you gotta go full retard?
But I do mine natural.
Go ahead. We're shooting deer in its natural habitat.
What?
Isn't Mushu a cat?
What the fuck is that?
Didn't you
You
call
don't
cow?
even know your damn self. You just heard it on TV. You thought it sounded funny. You don't know. What? We are not! Stop!
Jumbo. There you go.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
You want something unique?
Looks like a penis.
You want a unique pancake?
Hey, Miles, I actually got a penis birthday cake, so I get a penis pancake.
Oh God, damn. It's okay. Well, let's just come here and make him a vagina pancake. See how you like that one. No, we'll make Willow a penis birthday cake. See if you like that one. It's okay. It's okay for mine, but wait.
Does not
wait,
look like
wait.
one.
It's the form that is there.
It's a true apple.
So how do you flip it? You gotta need like 2 pancakes. I mean, two specials.
This is not sticky.
Wonder why.
I got this. You just want to spray shit. It's not ready. It's not ready.
Here's my
I
shot.
could do that on my own.
Here's my shot!
I'm helping you flip.
You need to go help yourself with something else. Ain't you got work to do? Will you stop? It's not ready to flip. Quit! You're breaking it.
That's not the only thing I break.
Well, you don't have a headboard.
Oh, I got that. Just think more.
But you can't flip it on your own.
Bullshit. I bet you I can. You stop, you broke it!
Oh, look at that! Oh, it looks like a gun. Here's the barrel.
You're fucking with food. Will you stop? God. See, look what you're doing. That's enough! God. Please don't be like this. This embarrassing the hell out of me.
Oh, broke.
I told you. That is not how you do it! You have ruined it. Oh my gosh, Jay.
I don't want to put it in the
Bam, bam, bam. You're throwing them out, Sucky. You're throwing them away.
You ruined it.
Bam. Ow! Not that.
You done it.
Not that.
You know, it would be you with all talk.
It's so only metal.
Because it's real hot and it's fucking metal. Fucking dangerous. Stop. I'm gonna bust you. It's your goddamn pancake. I'm not scared now. Quit that shit.